Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to go through my 11th month on Etsy. Yes, it's almost a year. I'm so excited. Time is flying. I'm selling digital products on Etsy and I started on the 1st of May 2023. In today's video, I will go through all the numbers, and also at the end of the video, I give you a nice overview of each month so you can compare and see my Etsy journey in 11 months. It gives you a bigger picture of my Etsy journey. Do let me know where you are in your Etsy journey in the comments down below. In the video, I also will tell you what worked for me and what didn't. And I know the results might not look like an overnight success, but for a few months now, I'm earning over $1,000 each month. And what is really interesting, I quite stopped creating digital products probably about 5 months ago. So now it started really to be passive income for me. But also this channel is more about a steady growth and realistic numbers. I advocate consistency, perseverance, and patience. These are all very, very important to me and hopefully to you. I want to show you what is possible if you really stick to certain things, and if you don't expect overnight success, you can still be successful. I know everyone defines success in their own way, but yeah, by watching this video, you can decide for yourself. But if you like what you're seeing and you're interested in Etsy growth and other income streams, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Because I'm talking about digital products on Etsy, I also have a link in the description below where you can find 50 digital product ideas if you need any ideas. And if you haven't started your Etsy shop yet, make sure to also click the link in my description where you can get 40 free listings. Okay, if you're ready to see my numbers for month 11, then let's head over to my screen. Here we are in March 2024, 11 months on Etsy. My visits this month were 4,047. So that's a little bit more than last month, but not that much. It looks quite steady actually in visits every day. And then we had 256 orders. That is a little bit more again than last month, and I had 2 orders one day and the highest were 14 orders. Conversion rate is the highest it has ever been, so that's really great. I remember when I started out documenting each month, always wanted to have minimum 4% conversion rate, and now it's 6.3, which is really great. And the revenue here, you see it in Swedish krona, 15,542.25, which is basically $1,453. My highest was almost 1,000 Swedish krona, which is about $95. And actually here is a higher one, which is probably a few dollars more, like maybe $97, so almost $100. My goal really is to reach $100 each day. But yeah, let's have a quick look at where my traffic is coming from. We can see 83% of visits is Etsy and 17% is from me basically. We have a little bit traffic from Pinterest, but not as much as it used to be. And then what I really like is also this overview of how many items were favorited, 384, how many shop follows, 23 reviews, 20 reviews this month, repeat buyers, 9 repeat buyers, and I reached 237 cities from basically 10 countries, which is really cool. So not much changed this month, to be honest. I didn't create any new products, so this is all my products from when I started on Etsy. And again, the only real difference I can see here now as well is that the conversion rate increases. Let's hop over to my ad spend. So here you can see my Etsy ads performance, 4,000 views. We had 97 clicks, 5 orders. I would still say the performance is not as great, but I kind of broke even. My revenue was almost $30 and I almost spent $30. And you can see that I quite try to stick with $1. At some point, actually, I was recommended by Etsy to spend $130. And I thought that's very interesting. And I thought I'd give it a try. But then I just felt I'm spending more and there's not better results. I know sometimes you have to stick with it for a while, but I just didn't really see any benefit of spending more than my $1. So I went back to my $1 a day ad spend. And now let's have a look at the overview of the last 11 months on Etsy. I really like looking at this to see what the progress was of the last month really, or now almost a year. So you can see here on the right is my month 11, which was basically March 2024. Visits 4,047, a little bit more than last last month, a little bit more of orders. The conversion rate now you can see is really the highest as it ever has been. Revenue was a little bit more than last month, but it did go down a little bit from month 8 in December. I had my best months, and that was December and January, but since then it went a little bit down. So it will be interesting to see if I can actually increase it again. I will definitely try. And then the profit was also a little bit higher than last month. And then ad spend, I actually split it in offsite ads and ads. And then you can also see the orders here from ads were 5 and actually 19 orders from offsite ads. So you can see the last 4 months offsite ads worked quite well for me, and I actually prefer offsite ads, although I don't really have any control over it, but I only pay when I make a sale, and that's the difference to Etsy ads. With Etsy ads I pay for a click even if the potential customer doesn't buy, but offsite ads I only pay when I make a sale, and I really like that. I don't mind Etsy running offsite ads on my Etsy shop. And it's interesting actually with offsite ads, maybe I should make a separate video about it, but it's interesting to see where the traffic comes from. Normally it is Google, but also Bing, and sometimes it's like other websites where Etsy runs ads. It's just very interesting to see what Etsy is running in the background. Thanks for staying till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video, and it is almost my 12th month on Etsy. I can't wait to share it with you. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!